case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Colorado Court of Appeals in 2009 heard a remarkable case in Sumerel vs. Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, highlighting a unique aspect of contract law. An agreement may be voidable if one party made an error the other party knew or should have known about. The case had its origins in a products liability action against Goodyear and Chills Power Supply Company after the installation of faulty heating system hoses. An initial jury award favored the plaintiffs and two entities, landing a $1.3 million verdict against Goodyear, incorporating repair and replacement costs, diminution in value damages, and other costs and losses. However, the waters muddled when the district court concluded Goodyear had entered a valid settlement agreement with the plaintiffs based on an email and erroneous charts sent by Goodyear. On appeal, this alleged agreement came under intense scrutiny, with the majority opinion questioning its validity. In a twist, the court found that leveraging Goodyear's mistake for financial benefit was not only unfair, but also not supported by the law. The plaintiff's pursuit of a financial windfall was declared inequitable and outside of legal principles, allowing Goodyear a rare escape from the contested agreement. The court reversed the previous order and instructed the parties to record a satisfaction of judgment for the monies already disbursed by Goodyear. While Goodyear's remaining appeal contentions remained unaddressed, the case nonetheless stands as an important benchmark in the arena of contract law and error.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.